Hi, my name is Kenny Daigle, and I started doing leatherwork over 40 years ago. This is actually my first YouTube, and today I'd like to show you how I use the craft tool D447, better known as the Meander tool. So this is an example of the use of the D447 and the D445 in their traditional overlapping patterns. What I'm going to do today I like to call an open border design, and it's going to be a little bit different from the traditional use of this tool. By the way, I get all of my supplies from a local Tandy store. They have great products and great people. Visit them if there's one locally to you, or go check them out online at tandyleatherfactory.com. Also, everything we're going to talk about here today, I have at my Etsy site, KD Cuts at etsy.com, in a downloadable instruction set for $4. It'll include everything we're talking about today, plus bonus information on working with the D445 tool as well. So, let's get started. Okay, so here we have an 1.5 inch wide strip of 9/10 ounce leather. It's been cased and it's ready to work with. The first thing I'm going to do is crease in an edge, and I'm going to use my Tandy 8072 adjustable creaser. And I'm creasing in about 1/8 inch off the edge. Okay, so that's pretty good. I like that. Time to stamp. Now you'll notice that I'm spacing my tool about 1 tool width apart on each side. So there you go. I've got about a 2 width, maybe a little more of separation between each stamp. Now I'm going to take the creaser and I'm going to tie in the design. So I'm basically using my creaser to tie in my design. There we go. That's one side. Let's do the other. There, so that's nice and tied in. I really like the way that looks. But I'm going to go one step further, and I'm going to bevel the creases. I'm going to use my modeling spoon to do this, but you could do this with a beveler or a figure carving tool, whatever your preference is. So let's get in here. I am just going to lightly bevel on the crease. That's one side. Let's do the other side. So again, you can do this with anything you prefer. There. So that's nice and tied in. I might go over that one more time with the creaser just to be sure I like the look. Okay, so that's the use of the Meander tool. Again, I like to call that an open border design. This is going to be a bracelet when it's finished. So I'm going to add one more element. I'm going to use a cedar tool in the center, the craft tool S624. I'm going to find my center. All right, let's go ahead and get this in. There you go. That's done. So that's the piece carved and ready for staining or finishing. Action. Okay, so here is the open borders designed finish in a bracelet. You'll notice I block dyed it. I've used the Tandy EcoFlow medium brown water stain, and I've done a stitched accent, and you will see I've used 2 line 20 snaps. That's it. See you soon.